Right. Welcome back to class of photosynthesis in air plants. Today I am going to explain about photosynthetic pigments. So, what are the main purpose of the photosynthetic pigments in higher plants? The photosynthetic pigments are participate in the photosynthesis process. So, when the photosynthesis is takes place, means what are the requirements of the photosynthesis? The photosynthesis, during the photosynthesis required carbon dioxide and water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a internal factor for the photosynthesis process. So, these are raw materials for the photosynthesis: carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, sunlight from the atmosphere, water, the plants absorbs water from the soil, and the photosynthesis is takes place in the green leaves. That green leaves contains chloroplast organelles. So, these are basically these are requirements for the photosynthesis process. So, in this video I am going to explain about only what are the differences between the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B pigments. So, generally according to the NCERT textbook, that photosynthetic pigments are classified into 4 groups. That is, first one is chlorophyll A, second one is chlorophyll B, third one is carotenoids, and fourth one is xanthophylls. So, these 4 types of photosynthetic pigments are mentioned in our NCERT syllabus. Actually, the photosynthetic pigments are various groups are there. The first one is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll E, and bacteriochlorophyll, and chlorobium chlorophyll is also present in higher plants. Okay? So, these are different types of chlorophyll pigments. Okay? Actually, the photosynthetic pigments are located in thylakoids membranes. The photosynthetic pigments are located in the thylakoids membranes. So, in thylakoids membranes, the photosynthetic pigments are located in organelle, that is a chloroplast. Okay? So, that is the photosynthetic pigments. So, generally the photosynthetic pigments are classified into various types of the pigments are there. The first pigment is called, that is the chlorophyll A. So, this chlorophyll A is the, what is the molecular formula of chlorophyll A? That is C55 H72 O5 that is nitrogen 4 atoms and magnesium. So, this is the magnesium. So, this is the molecular formula of chlorophyll A. So, in this chlorophyll A, it contains 2 main parts, that is head of the porphyrin. The chlorophyll A contains head of the porphyrin ring, and tail part is also present in the chlorophyll A. So, the chlorophyll A is the main pigment in higher plants. The main chlorophyll pigment in higher plants. The chlorophyll A contains 2 main parts, that is head of the porphyrin ring and tail part. Okay. So, in head, so the head of the porphyrin, it is the made up of porphyrin ring. So, what is the main function of porphyrin ring? It absorbs light from the atmosphere. So, porphyrin is main function is light absorption. Okay. So, that is the main function of the porphyrin ring. So, these porphyrin ring is with 4 pyrrole rings closed 5-role rings are present in the porphyrin ring. So next, in this chlorophyll A, it is a non-ionic magnesium atom is present in the chlorophyll A. Magnesium atom is present in the chlorophyll A. It is held within the tetrapyrrole ring. So magnesium atom is connected by the four pyrrole rings, that is tetrapyrrole rings. So next, so in this chlorophyll A, there is a vinyl group at the carbon 2 position of the first pyrrole ring, and methyl group at the carbon 3 of second pyrrole ring. So here this is the structure of the chlorophyll. So this is the structure of the chlorophyll. This part is a head part. This part is called head porphyrin ring. So in this porphyrin ring, 4 pyrrole rings are there. That is this is the first ring. This is the second pyrrole ring. This is the third pyrrole ring. This is the fourth pyrrole ring. And one more ring is there, that is called fifth cyclopentanone ring. This is the cyclopentanone ring is also present in the porphyrin ring. So these 4 pyrrole rings are connected by the magnesium atom. So this is the magnesium is present in the chlorophyll structure. Okay. So what is the main differences between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B? Okay. In this chlorophyll A, the 4 pyrrole rings are there. This is the first pyrrole ring. This is second, third, fourth. So next, this porphyrin ring is connected to the tail part, tail chain. Okay. So in this tail chain, that is this is the tail part of the chlorophyll A, hydrophobic phytol chain that keeps the chlorophyll embedded in the thylakoids membranes. So what is the main function of the tail of the chlorophyll A phytol chain? It is embedded in the thylakoids membranes. So what is the chemical formula of tail of the chlorophyll? That is C20H39 and OH group is there. So this is the tail part in the chlorophyll A. Okay, so this is the here from this part is called phytol chain. This is phytol chain. So in this phytol chain is connected to the fourth pyrrole ring of the porphyrin head. Okay, so this is the phytol chain. So here the basically what are the main differences between the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B? Chlorophyll A, here the first pyrrole ring, this is we can draw the carbon numbers. This is the first carbon number, this is the second carbon, this is the third carbon, this is the fourth carbon. So in the first pyrrole ring at the carbon 2, vinyl group is there in chlorophyll A, and third carbon atom. So this is the third carbon atom. So here third carbon, at the third carbon of the second pyrrole ring, that is a methyl group is there in chlorophyll A. So in chlorophyll A, the second pyrrole ring, at the second pyrrole ring, third carbon, it contains a methyl group, that is the chlorophyll A. Then what is the chlorophyll B? What is the chlorophyll B means? At the carbon 3, replace the acetaldehyde group is there. This is the most important concept. So what is the differences between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B? Means at the second pyrrole ring, at the carbon 3 position, if the contain methyl group, that is a chlorophyll A. Again at the second pyrrole ring, at the carbon 3, it contains acetaldehyde group, that is the chlorophyll chlorophyll B. So this is the main differences between the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. So remaining the complete remaining structure is same, but only third carbon of the second pyrrole ring, if the contained methyl group, that is chlorophyll A, and acetaldehyde is there at the carbon 3, that is chlorophyll B. So this is the main concept about the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Next, the chlorophyll A absorbs blue, yellow, red wavelength of the light in a visible spectrum at the 450 to 650 nanometers. Now basically the chlorophyll, what is the main function of the chlorophyll A? Chlorophyll A, it absorbs light from the atmosphere, and at the specific wavelength at the 450 to 650 nanometer in the visible spectrum of the light. Next, chlorophyll A is present in all oxygen producing photosynthetic organisms. Means oxygenic, which organisms are performing the oxygenic photosynthesis, then that organisms are performing the photosynthesis, that contains the chlorophyll A molecule. Okay, na? So it is the chlorophyll A is present in the all photosynthetic organisms except in bacteria. So this is the structure of the chlorophyll A. So in this chlorophyll A, two main parts, head porphyrin ring and tail phytol chain. Okay. Next, chlorophyll B, second pigment, that is chlorophyll B. What is the chemical formula of chlorophyll B? C55 H70, oxygen 6 oxygens, next nitrogen 4, next magnesium. So it is present in the chlorophyll B is similar to the chlorophyll A, except acetaldehyde or formyl group at the carbon 3 of second pyrrole ring. So chlorophyll B is present in higher plants, green algae, except in blue-green algae and some green algae. So here the chlorophyll B is present in higher plants and green algae, except the chlorophyll B is absent in blue-green algae like Nostoc anabaena and some algae also absence of the chlorophyll B. Next, third chlorophyll molecule, that is the chlorophyll C. The chlorophyll C is, what is the chemical formula of chlorophyll C? C35 H32, oxygens 5 molecules and 5 atoms, and nitrogen N4 and magnesium. So this is the chemical formula of chlorophyll C. Next, in the chlorophyll C, phytol chain is absent. This is the most important. Phytol chain is absent in the chlorophyll C, and chlorophyll C is present in brown algae. Brown algae members belongs to the Phaeophyceae members. So next, chlorophyll C is also present in the diatoms. Okay, na? So this is the chlorophyll C. So next, chlorophyll D. The chlorophyll D molecular formula is carbon 55 C57 H70, oxygen 6 atoms and nitrogen 4 atoms and 1 magnesium is there. So the chlorophyll D is present in red algae, means Rhodophyceae members. Algal species contains that is the chlorophyll D. So next chlorophyll molecule is called chlorophyll E. The chlorophyll E is present in the xanthophytes. That what are the examples of the xanthophytes? Wacheria, Tribonema. So these are examples for the xanthophyta. So in xanthophyta, that chlorophyll E is present. And next, that is the bacteriochlorophyll. So in this bacteriochlorophyll pigment, what is the chemical formula of bacteriochlorophyll? C55 H72, O6, N4 and magnesium is there. Okay, so this is the chemical formula of bacteriochlorophyll. Okay, so next the bacteriochlorophyll is present in purple sulfur bacteria. It is present in the purple and sulfur bacteria. So the bacteriochlorophyll is similar to the chlorophyll A, except second carbon of the first pyrrole ring, it contains acetaldehyde at the first pyrrole ring in second carbon position. That is carbon position 2 contains acetaldehyde. So that is the bacteriochlorophyll. So it is the complete structure is similar to the chlorophyll A, but except at the first pyrrole ring of the porphyrin carbon 2 position, in a replacement by the acetaldehyde at the carbon 2 position of first pyrrole ring. So this is the bacteriochlorophyll. So what are the examples of the bacteriochlorophyll pigment is present in that is Rhodopseudomonas and Theobacillus, the chromaceum. So these are examples for the bacteriochlorophyll containing organisms. So this is the basic the concept about the photosynthetic pigments. In this video I will explain only chlorophyll types of the chlorophyll pigments. So what are the types of the chlorophyll pigments? Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, D and E, and also bacteriochlorophyll is also present in the higher plants and other organisms. Next video I will explain about the carotenoids and xanthophylls. Okay, thank you.